Hello children, in this video I am going to show you how to open the new app of the school, that is SVN School StudyMate, and how to join the class, means online classes, how you have to join and how to open that. For that what you have to do, I'll explain you in this video. Just you see carefully and join the classes. Okay, we'll start first. First you go to the Chrome here. First you keep in mind that your Chrome should be updated one. If it is not updated, just you update that. I'll go to the Chrome. In all the mobiles it will be there. If it is not updated, just you update that. Means updated version of the Chrome should be there in your mobile. Then only you can open that app. Then you can be able to see this, right? Then you open these three dots. See here, update Chrome. It will show like this, update Chrome. You can able to see, no? Just you update that once. If it is updated one means no problem. Okay. If it is not updated, just you update that. Then you can easily open this app. Okay. Then here I open the Google Chrome. Now I will type here website address. What is that website address is? Just you remember this, SVN School dot smart IQ, SMARTIQ, means while typing these things, these all should be in the small letters. Keep in mind, SVN School dot smart IQ dot co dot in, like this we have to type. See, keep in mind while typing these, all the letters should be in the small letters, then only we'll get that website. Now I'll click on that, or you can search also, no problem. Now it is loading. Now you see, just you can able to see this username and the password. See, you already know username and password. You have got already, your class teacher has sent. Just you see this username and password. Username which is containing your name is a username, and which is your phone number is a password. Don't get confused there. Username is containing your name and the password is your phone number. Okay, just I will type that now. And while typing the username also, those letters should be in the small letters. Okay, just I'll type that. See, those letters should be in the small letters. Now I have taken one student username and I am doing this. Okay, see, username should be in the small letters. Now I am joining as a student here. I have taken one student name, student login ID and the password. I am doing this just to show you. See, keep in mind while typing the user ID, all should be in the small letters. What they have sent, carefully you see and type it. Okay, now I'll enter the password. Password is usually we have given the phone numbers. Okay, I'll just type that. I'll type here. Okay, now after entering the username and password, I'll press submit. Okay, after submitting, okay, if you want you can save there. See, I already scheduled the class and I sent the invitation to this student also. What I have opened here, to him I already sent the invitation. Now it will come like this. See, all of you can able to see, no? See, like this you will get. Now what you have to do, just you go down like this. Here you see, I scheduled the class here. Coordinate geometry. Is there, no? Okay, now you don't go any, now just you scroll up and see here 3 lines you can able to see, no? Click on that. Now See my calendar, you can able to see my calendar. Click on my calendar, then you go to live classes. Live classes. Okay, here you see. See here, actually I scheduled the class at 7:25 p.m. So here it is showing 19:25. Okay, you can join it, but I did not start the class. Just I will start the class and I will show you. Now before starting the class, it will show like this. If I start the class, what it will show, I will show you. Just I will join now and I will start the class. I already scheduled the class. Now it is before joining the class, means I did not start the class here. If I did not start the class, it will come like this. But I already scheduled the class. Coordinate geometry I am going to take. At what time I am going to take? 7:25. So still I did not start the class. So it is showing you like this. Just you, after scheduling the class, what it will show, I will just show you. Sorry, after starting the class. You can join it because I started the class here. Now you see, I started the class. It is showing in progress. Okay. See, just if you can't able to do it, just you go back. You can do like that also, no problem. See, I went back and just you click on these three buttons. My calendar, live classes. Okay. If you go back also, you can join the class again. No problem there. Live classes I opened. Just you go down. See here. My class is Sri Devi Patil. Scheduled the class in progress, means I started the class there. So in progress you open it. Just you click on that. Okay, now it will come.